name is Dr. Sara Elliott from both the British Veterinary Hospital and now newly the Marina Veterinary Clinic. We've been operating at the British Veterinary Hospital for more than 8 years. The Marina Veterinary Clinic opened only 2 months ago. So we will service all of your pet needs, both their medical and their surgical needs, from puppy through to our lovely seniors. But today we're going to be talking about weight loss and obesity in pets. We are seeing a huge increase in obesity. I mean, the facts are staggering. 158% of increase in dogs being overweight in the last 10 years. 168% increase in cats being overweight in the last 10 years. Up to 90% of pet owners do not even realize that their pets are overweight. And if you don't know they're overweight, you can't help them. So let's try and tackle this together, because obesity is a disease and it compounds and causes other problems. With obesity, we see arthritis, we see diabetes, we see skin problems, we can see an increase in various cancers. We see some massive health risks there, which can reduce the quality and length of your pet's life by more than 2 years. I mean, 2 extra years with your pet? Who wouldn't want that? I think the other thing that people don't realize is the comparative weight gain that a pet needs to become overweight. For instance, if you've got a 2 kilogram Chihuahua or Yorkshire Terrier, just a little guy, then only 400 grams, that's less than half a kilo of weight, makes them clinically obese. For your average cat, 1 kilo in body weight on that cat, extra above their sort of 4 or 5 kilos, will again make them 25% overweight. For your Labrador weighing 25-30 kilo, that would be 6 kilos. If you compare that up to people, then the average 400 grams in that little Chihuahua would be the owner putting on 11 kilos in weight. The difference in that is going to be huge if you're trying to go out to exercise and how tired you get from those exercise. Hi Elsa, so you've just been for a run, both carrying Guinness and with Guinness running alongside you. How was it?
It was definitely easier without carrying Guinness and that extra bit of weight.
Okay, let's pop Guinness on the scales.
Up you go. Good boy. Sit. Good boy, Guinness.
Okay, so Guinness weighs 11.7 kilos, which together with the fat suit means that you were carrying 25% extra body weight.
Yeah, which definitely was not easy.
So how do we help our pets lose weight? First off, you want a diet that works. Now, that's where the Hills does come in, because it's actually been proven in real conditions to help your pet lose weight. And the real life studies have shown that dogs will lose 13% of their body weight over 60 days and cats will lose 11%. So those are figures that are going to work. So it has quite a few advantages. First off, the technology within the food helps turn your pet from a fat storer into a fat burner, which means that they actively lose weight because they're eating that food. Sort of small markers that we're trying to aim for: the reduction in weight, knowing that we're going the right way, the reduction in body size. So working together to make sure that we get the right outcome. For a lot of the cats that become overweight, they then will sit on the sofa more and not move as much, which means that instead of going to the loo maybe every 4 hours as they would do originally, that gets stretched out, a bit like you would if you're watching Netflix, and becomes every 8 to 12 hours. That means that everything stagnates within them, so the urine can start to form crystals or stones, and that will develop problems in its own. So using a food such as this one, which is your CD stress with the metabolic, means that we're tackling all of those issues at once. You're reducing the weight, you're stopping stones from forming. Any stones that have formed, you're actually dissolving those stones within 7 days. So by tackling all of the problems in one go, we're going to get a better, faster, more complete outcome.